Okay, so this is part 2 of the 9th Kyu Yellow Belt grading. We've already done part 1, that's already on this channel. And then this is going to be part 2, and there's a third one, which is just the last technique, which is the ground defense. There are more techniques. This is just the Goshinjutsu, the self-defense forms. There's also postures and break falling, etc., etc. But they'll be a different video. Let's go through these four defenses. Goshinjutsu self-defense. Again, I'm using Antonio. The first one's going to be where someone grabs you from the rear collar. We've already looked at this grab here where someone grabs you from the front. Well, now it's going to be turn around. So she might be walking down the street, mind her own business, or she might be just staying stationary. I'm going to grab the back of her neck, and what she's got to do is escape. So this is what we call a hajutsu, a method of escaping. So I'm going to reach in and grab here. From here, she needs to get me off. The arm comes up, around, and simply breaks the grip, and then she can escape. So once again on this, I grab the back of her jacket, she brings her arm up, big circle, knocks it off. What I could also do is I might pull her in. I'll pull her in, she can strike, then comes up and takes me off. From the other side, the other angle. So hand comes in, grabs the back of her jacket, lifts the arm up, big circle, breaks it off. Okay, all in one motion now, go. Okay, and again, as soon as it comes in, just breaks that grip off like this. Okay. Next one is a cross. Well, these are wrist escapes. We've got 3. They're very similar. The first one we do is basically straight wrist grab. I grab her here. She escapes. Super like this. What she does as I grab her, she reaches in, grabs her fist, and she's breaking through my thumb. So that's the weakest part. If it's a cross wrist grab, exactly the same. Just pull straight through. She's ready in case I throw a next punch. You can see us. If we're here and she breaks, if I throw a next punch, she can defend and go back to our relative defense technique, which we did on the first video. So I always finish with these in a defensive position. So straight punch, straight grab, pull straight out. If it's a double grab, same again. Reach in here, grabs her own wrist, pulls through. Doesn't matter which way I grab, she doesn't have to think about it. There's no, I have to do this technique for that one, they're all the same. Okay, very, very simple. Next one is a front choke escape. Again, very common. I'm grabbing it here around the neck. 2 variations of this. This is kind of counterintuitive. A lot of people, when someone's grabbing, they want to knock down here or open up the arms here. It's not going to happen. If I grab her and she tries to knock my arms down, it's not going to work. Try and slap bang my hands down. Yeah, it's not going to work. It's counterintuitive because what you're going to do is you're going to grab my wrists and just step out. And it's as simple as that. It looks kind of like a bit of a fake technique, but it really works. You know, sort of grabbing, even when I get my hands right around her, she's just grabbed her wrists, steps back, she's out. My fingers can't hold on. If, however, I've got against the wall where she can't move back, she goes to my elbows and pushes me back. And again, it's counterintuitive. She's pushing my arms together, not out, because I can use my force to come back in again. But if she does it this way, there's no strength. Here, grabs my elbows and pushes me back. Simple as this. Finally, technique number 8 is a bear hug, a rear bear hug. 2 variations, either arm trapped in, or your arms out, doesn't really matter. First thing we must do is think about striking. In fact, first thing we must think about is actually stop me actually doing what I might do. Because the chance I'm going to grab her, I'm going to lift her up and throw her around. First, what she can do is stop me doing this. Because the moment I come in, she can lock my ankle. Inside. You see how she locks my ankle? Now I'm trying to lift her, I actually can't lift her. It's like an anchor. She's got control here. Second thing, she wants to cause pain. She can slam her head back into my face. She can strike my groin. She can stamp on my foot. And then once I'm a bit weakened, she can then go into a grab. She reaches up, grabs, and drops down, pulls me down to grip. So once you've broken that grip through using pain, either from striking to my groin, headbutting me, stamping down on my foot, my grip weakens a little bit, she can then throw. So first thing, I grab, she first will stop me throwing her by locking her leg round here. I can't lift her up. From there, she can slam her head back. If my head's in the way, I'm going to get headbutted. We call this Kikaku Ken, Demon Horn Strike. She can then strike my groin. This is called Kinteki. Or she can strike on my foot, Umeboshi. From here, once she's got my, but you see how she reaches out and grabs. Her arms are still trapped in, look. But when she goes to the ground now, I'm going to get pulled over. And they're the 4 techniques. So again with video number 1 and video number 2, they show the 8 standing techniques. Video number 3 is the ground technique. That's the 9 techniques of the Goshinjutsu on the earth level yellow belt. Please subscribe to my channel. With lots more videos coming in the next few weeks. We're going to really go into some of the classical techniques of the Gyokuryu, the Kotoru, the Takagi Yoshiru, and also more self-defense techniques. So please subscribe, and I'll see you then.